Papaya enters the mouth and instantly activates the body's digestive system. The soft fruit breaks down easily, allowing enzymes in the saliva to begin the first stage of digestion. As the papaya travels down the esophagus, muscles gently push it toward the stomach. Inside the stomach, powerful acids and enzymes dissolve the fruit, releasing vitamins, antioxidants, and digestive enzymes. These nutrients quickly enter the bloodstream, supporting gut health, reducing inflammation, and boosting immunity. Papaya doesn't just nourish the body, it strengthens the entire digestive system with every bite.